Anuj Tikku for Tikku's Travelthon.in. We are heading for the Athirapalli Waterfalls and we are going through this lush forest in the suburbs of Cochin. Now Athirapalli Waterfalls is where the film Ashoka was shot, which had Shah Rukh Khan and Kareena Kapoor, and it had a famous song in the waterfall with Kareena Kapoor and Shah Rukh Khan. We're going exactly to those waterfalls to do our shoot for Tikku's Travelthon today. So this is Anuj Tikku at the Athirapalli Waterfalls for Tikku's Travelthon.in. For Tikku's Travelthon.in, and I'm at the Athirapalli Waterfalls at the outskirts of Cochin in Kerala. This is Anuj Tikku for Tikku's Travelthon.in at the Vazhachal waterfall. And here is the Vazhachal waterfall. The water is flowing and it's coming down here to a reservoir. This is the Vazhachal reservoir where the waterfall and the water comes in and it settles down here in the reservoir. The waterfall is not very high, it's flat and there's a little bit of slope in it. But it's very fast paced. The water is very fast paced in its movement. And this is the second waterfall of this area which I wanted you to explore and see. This is Anuj Tikku for Tikku's Travelthon.in.